A cause of the Mayan Golden Age was the Olmecs. The Mayan were majorly influenced by the Olmecs. They used some of their ideas and based their civilization off of them. By about AD 250, the Mayan Golden Age began. This time was also known as the Classic Period. The Maya excelled at agriculture, pottery, hieroglyph writing, calendar making, and mathematics, architecture, and symbolic artwork.
During their time, economy and trade was a major impact of the Mayan civilization. The Mayans had produced many jewels and jewelry from the resources they found. From these jewels, the Mayans created an expansion in the trade industry for themselves. The Mayans had constructed many trade routes and pathways for trade once they expanded their boundaries and traded with other civilizations. They inherited many new resources and tools from trading and used these items to better their civilizations, such ways as discovering new farming techniques and other things that benefited their civilization.
Mayan astronomy was very much ahead of its time. They could predict solar eclipses and used astrological cycles to aid in farming. The Mayans also developed a calendar. There were 1,872,000 days on the Mayan calendar, which ended on December 21st, 2012. A Mayan year consists of 365 days, which is exactly the number of days, with the exception of leap years in our modern calendar.
A big part of the Mayan society was the agriculture. The Mayan culture needed a large amount of food so that they could sustain the large amount of life. The main food they grew was corn, but they also grew beans and squash. They mainly used the terrace farming technique, which is in the mountains and consisted of small fields. They also used another technique called raised bed farming. This kind of farming took place in swampy areas, but was extremely labor intensive.